Good morning, students. This is your first session of video, which is for class 4th. My name is Shweta and I am going to teach you English. Fine? From today, I am starting the syllabus. I hope you all have purchased the books. If you have not purchased, please purchase it as soon as possible. For some days, I'll send you some pics of the chapter which I am teaching you. But after some days, you have to manage with the books. Fine? So let's start with the chapter. There are two books in English. One is reader book and one is grammar book. In the reader book, there are chapters, lessons, and some poems are also included in them. And on those chapters or stories, the chapters are based on the different stories. After the chapter, question answers are given and some grammar exercises are also given which are based on that chapter. Clear? In grammar book, there are grammar topics which are covered. So we will continue one by one. First, I am starting with the reader book. When my first chapter will be completed, then I will do the question answers. The question answers will be sent on the WhatsApp group. From that, you can note down in your notebook. The grammar exercises will also be sent on the WhatsApp group. If required, then I will send video also based on them. But the grammar exercises are supposed to be done in the book itself. No need to note down in the notebook. If enough space is given in the book, then you can do it in the book itself. Fine? You have to listen carefully to the video because in all the videos, the chapter will be explained, whether it is the chapter of the reader book or it is the chapter of the grammar book. Today, I am starting with the reader book. The first chapter in the reader book is The Boy and the Robbers. Now, what do you mean by robber? Robber is a person who robs or steals someone money, gold or any essential thing or item. हिंदी में रॉबर को हम क्या बोलते हैं? लुटेरा, जो लोगों को लूटता है. Clear? So this story is about a boy whose name is Ottens. This particular boy lives in Persia, and at that time when he was living, at that time the name of the king who was ruling over Persia was Cyrus. So Cyrus was a very honest, trustworthy and loyal king, and he wanted that all the boys of his country, they should also speak the truth like he used to speak. Means he has given, or you can say he has given the training, or his teachings were all based on truth. Everybody in each and every family, parents taught their children to speak the truth because the king liked that. It was the order of the king that everybody in each and every family, whatever child, girl or boy, every child should learn to speak the truth, whatever is the situation. Fine? One day, his parents decided that we should send our child to a far away place because maybe in that area there was no famous school. So they decided to send their child to a far away city where he can get admission in a famous school. Now from their place the city was very far, so it was very difficult for the child to go alone, because if he will go alone then there will be many obstacles which he has to face, many problems. Obstacles means many problems, many difficulties he has to face in the way. So his parents decided, the arrangement was made such that the child, whose name was Hortense, he was sent with a group of merchants who were going to that city. So along with the group of merchants, this child, Hortense, was also sent to the city where he was about to take admission in the school. Now when he was walking, when he was moving on his path with the group of merchants, at that time some robbers came in between and they told all the merchants to take out the gold, money, whatever valuable items they were having. So all people, they took out the items and gave to the robbers. Even this boy, Hortense, was also asked that, do you have any money or do you have any amount of gold? So the boy told, yes, I am having gold, many coins of gold I am having, and I have hidden those coins of gold in my hat. In fact, 2 or 3 robbers asked him that, do you have gold or money? And to all of them he said, yes, I am having, because he was given the training that he always has to speak the truth. His parents has taught him that whatever is the situation, you will never say lie to anybody. You always have to say the truth. So he told the truth to all the robbers who asked him. But the robbers, they thought that how it is possible that such a small child can have the gold coins. It is not possible, because he is so small. So how his parents can allow him to travel such a long distance with so much amount of gold or with so much amount of money? So nobody was ready to believe him, and they did not pay attention to him, and they moved away and they asked the other people, other merchants. Third or fourth time, when one of the chief, there was a chief also, chief means main person of that robber group, when he came to the boy, and when the boy told that, yes, I am having gold in my hat, so the chief said that, show me your hat. If you are having the gold, then you show your hat, I want to see. When the boy took out his hat, the chief saw that he was having the pieces of gold, the coins of gold. So the chief was very happy, because the boy has told the truth to him. He has not told the lie. So with happiness and with eagerness, he told Hortense to go back to his country, to his place, to his hometown, and in return the chief did not take anything from that boy Hortense, and he allowed to move him to his hometown. After that, this boy became very famous in his area, in his place, in his country, for the truthfulness which he had spoken to the chief of the robber. Now in the next video I will explain the chapter.